Hi friends, today I will show you a simple method to download historical data from Kite website. You do not need to do complex programming to do this. I have created a easy Excel for any non-programmer as well to download data from the website. How does this work? Well, it works based on Python. So you will have to do some simple steps to download the Python and install some libraries. It is very simple. And after doing that, you just need to go to the Kite website and you need to search for the script for which you want the historical data. For example, if I want to download historical data for 18,000 CE of October month expiry, what I will do is I will click on chart button, and as soon as I click on chart button, you see that the chart here is changed as well as the link in the address bar is changed. So now I will click on this link, I will copy it and I will paste it here. Now we want the data for this link for Nifty 18,000 C, and we want the data of today, 21st October 2022. So I will come here, I will type the date 21st October 2022 and to date is 22nd October 2022. And since I need 1 minute data, I will come in interval and I'm gonna select 1 minute. I'm downloading 1 minute data because most of the time I do my back testing on 1 minute. And obviously, if you are trading in options, you probably also be working on a smaller interval data. Now, what else setting I need to do? You will need to enter, this is my user ID, so you'll need to change that and you will need to enter your user ID here. You can check your user ID from the Kite website here. Now this is the token which you get once you log in into Kite website, and time to time this token expires. So probably this token is old and might have been got expired, so I will change this token. How you can do that? You will have to come here on the Kite website, any page, and then click on this button, come on cookies, come here on kitejirodha.com and click on cookies. In bottom you can see ENC token and this is the value. So I will select all, I will copy this token value, I will come here and paste it. So entering this value is just one time process. You do not need to enter it multiple times. Window or close the Chrome. Still it will not affect it. So yeah, all the entries have been done and now I will click on fetch data. And just under 10 seconds, you will see that the data is downloaded. We wanted Nifty 18,000 CE and Nifty 18,000 CE is downloaded 1 minute data. I will click on it and you can see that it is 1 minute data and it is in format of open, high, low, close, volume and while. So what is the benefit of this data? Most probably you'll be knowing that there is a software called DME Broker in which you can import these sequential data and generate a graph exactly like this, and you can then do your back testing on these data. You can generate your algo programming with that data. You can include various technical indicators. Let me show you how can you do that. So I have made a button here. You will see CSV Cleaner. So what it does is it picks the last data which is generated. So the last data is 18,000 C. It will open it and make a format which is suitable to import in email broker directly. So you see, as I click that, what it has done is it has separated the date and time value and made the date in a proper format, YMD format, so it can directly be imported in email broker. So we will go into email broker and import this. I will delete this already added data, and I will now import the data that we just recently generated. I will click on import wizard. I will click on pick file, and the data is 18,000 CE. I will open it. I will click on next, and you can see it has successfully identified all the data. What we need to do here is that we will need to choose the sequence of our data. So our data is sequenced in YMD and time format, and then open high low close volume. That sequence is correct. One more data that we have is open interest, so I will add more columns. I'll go to open interest and add it. I will select allow negative prices. I'll click on next and finish, and as you can see the data is downloaded. So yeah, this is how you can download any historical data from Kite website very easily, and I think this will prove very beneficial for your back testing and your algo programming testing. So I'm putting the link of this Excel file in video description. You can download it, and you are free to share it with your friends as well. So if you like the video, please click on the like button.